Alright, what's going on, fellas, and welcome to Wednesday's video on December 8th. Let's get it. And before we do that, just want to say thanks for all the views yesterday. Video killed it, relatively speaking, so again, appreciate it, and thanks to my 31st sub. You're a beast. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so number one, Tesla. I was hoping for a big move in the pre-market, and we got it, but now we're pulling back a little bit too hard. But no fret, because we're right back in the S's. Support line here, which I'll show you, and the 5-minute 200, which is the god of trends for the day. So here, if I go to the 180 chart, I drew this line here, which was these highs here, which kind of started the rally into 1200. So a nice pullback here. I mean, look at the support that this thing has. I mean, it's got nowhere to go. I mean, it's going to just bounce right off of the 9 here and the 180, and then boom, right back up into this purple channel that I see here. Alright, next up. AMD, man. Still holding on to this thing for dear life, but now the 9 caught up, so it looks pretty good. Now we have a few horizontal lines here that it should break, so if we get a candle over candle here, I'm looking to play it to the upside. Next, NVIDIA. I mean, I don't even know what to say about this thing anymore, man. It just goes when it wants, right? So I don't know, just keep it on the side for now. In S1 through 3, which I do like, and I do also like that this blue line is right at R2. So, you know me, if there's actual horizontal lines that corresponds with the Camarillas, we're targeting that, baby. Next, Roblox. I really thought that yesterday was going to be the day, but that's alright. Needs to reclaim the 9 on the 180. How's it look on the daily? Yeah, as well on the daily. But still looks good. Still looks good. So a nice flag break. We're golden. And then Apple, I'm not really sure about this, but I mean, it does look good on the 5-minute, right off of the 5-minute 200. I just don't know if we can get as much follow through. I believe we'll get up, but to get to R5 or R4, R4 might not be that difficult, but R5 definitely would be. So that's on watch. All right, fellas, those are the setups. About 15 minutes to the bell. I'll see you there. Alright, fellas, about 30 seconds watching Tesla out of the open here. Want to see a pullback first. Alright, we are open. Need to see a pullback. We're in no man's land. We'll set up a good opening range at R1 here. All stocks seem to be falling here. Added Qualcomm to the list because it actually looks tremendous. I'm actually going to take a stab here. I'm going to buy one. We're going to go for a red to green. This could be a good play. Hold of S1. Want to see an opening range back up here. That's alright. As long as we hold like within this area, I'm okay. I mean, like I said, I mean, it's just nothing but support here on the 180 chart. However, I don't like that. Like, Tesla's got to get back up now. I mean, I don't want to sell here because look at this chart on the 180. On a day like today, Tesla's the only saving grace here. Has to get back above this line. Wow, man. Look at the dips out of the open, man. Crazy. Okay, Tesla's got to prove some strength here. I mean, look, it would be shocked if it loses this level. I would be shocked. Keeps trying to hold it, but it's got to stay up above it. Nice, I like that. Nice. I would love to take another entry if I could. For an opening range up. Candle over candle I would love to add here. This is also a new 5-minute candle. I'm going to add here. So I have 2 total. I want to see that opening range to the upside play out. Average at 650. That I don't like. Candle over candle fail as of right now. Rejected the 9. Holding S2 as of right now, which is good. Tesla doesn't look the best here. Has to hold S3. And there it goes. Wouldn't mind seeing a double bottom here. Okay, should have been stopped out here, but only reason I'm not is because it's setting up this, which I love. So if we can get a break of this, we might get an explosive move here. I do have buying power to add one more. But, I mean, as of right now, this thing's just taking a poop right now. But if we break this flag, holy guys, it could be an unreal move. As of right now, not doing it. Alright, I gotta get out one, man. This is way too much. 422, man. Tesla's just dumping. Guys, I don't want to be down and out on this play, but I feel like I have to, man. That's so unfortunate. I mean, look at this. How are we supposed to trade this? Apple's the only one. Look at AMD. Look at Nvidia. Look at Roblox. Like, what? Guys, this day got jacked. Look at this sell-off on Tesla, bro. Alright. Out. Unreal. Alright, guys, taking Qualcomm here. Looks like it wants to hold S3, make a move back up. Looking at this flag here. Looks good. Bought the 185s. Looks even better on the 184-hour chart. If it breaks it, I want to add another. Add another one here. I want to add more. If we see a bit of a pullback, though, I'm down. Add another one here. You guys could just smell the revenge trade off of me. I know. But let me tell you why, though. So, look at this flag set up here. Absolutely beautiful. We get over it over this deviation. We could hit 200 today. And on the 5-minute, it's holding the 5-minute 200. And I took it as we got back into S1 through 3. So, as of right now, still looking okay. And we are up nicely. Looks like chips might lead the way, so that's kind of what I'm playing off of here. And Qualcomm looked the best to me. Nice move so far on Qualcomm. Love it. We are getting a crazy move, though. Let's go. All right. We got that opening range, baby. This could be a nasty trade, guys. I'm literally holding this bag. I mean, look at this move on the 180 chart. It looks so good, man. If we break above it, it's game time. Now this is where we need to start getting the clean moves, because you saw this imbalance to the upside, washed it out to the downside, now back to the upside. It's red, green. So now we need to start seeing the clean moves here. I literally cannot believe Tesla. I'm trying so hard not to get, like, so upset, but I had too much faith in the chart, and that's never a good sign, so. Nice, Qualcomm. Alright, 1 more minute left. I would like to see a hold of S2 at least. Oh, they're shooting down like that, man. What are you doing, Qualcomm? Don't tell me I'm break even on the day now. I'm only up $8 on the position. After that, are you kidding? Alright, so I'm really hoping it's just going to get another imbalance to the upside. Because, I mean, it's just straight red here. Last time we got straight reds, it just got straight green right after. So, I'll buy one more here on Qualcomm. Seems like it wants to hold this S3 level. Alright guys, I'm actually just going to call the video here. So this is going to get pretty boring. But just know, stop losses below this. I'll update you guys later. For the thumbnail, I'll just put the $526 loss on Tesla. I can't believe it, guys. I really can't believe it. The account is at almost 1,400. So I don't know what to do, man. Every time we get close to that 2,000 level, we just screw it up somehow at the top. So I mean, it was my mistake. I mean, like for some reason, I just thought that Tesla would be insanely strong. But yeah, that wasn't the case. It almost reverted the whole move. But yeah, I thought that this support was too good not to hold up. And yeah, man, that bit me in the butt because I trusted the chart too much. My stop should have absolutely been below S3. And I just absolutely got hammered all the way down here into S4. And I found Qualcomm, and here we are. That's it, guys. I'm sorry about today. This market has been so hard to trade in. I mean, so hard. I mean, last few weeks have been rewarding, and the market just took all that back. But it makes sense though, because I mean, like, we got rewarded a lot in the past week, and now we got absolutely hammered. But sitting at 1,300, 1,400 around there isn't too bad. We're still up. So again, guys, that was a terrible trade. Do not do that. Have a plan. And today I just didn't do it. So all right, guys, I'm gonna call it here today. An absolute L. Fat L that I took today. And yeah, we move. We move. I just punched it too hard today. The premiums got jacked afterwards. So alright, I'm going to call it here. Hopefully you guys at least enjoyed the misery. And yeah, this is definitely a video on what not to do. Alright, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Take it easy.